everyone, so for today's video we were going to teach you a short tutorial video on how to create a graphic organizer in a software application. But before that, let us first know what is graphic organizer.
So first, let us define what is graphic organizers. So, graphic organizers are visually thinking tools that makes pictures of your thoughts. So, these pictures demonstrates relationship between facts, concepts, and ideas, and it also guides your thinking as you design a map or a diagram. So, in a graphic organizer, you can visually represent information by organizing ideas, concepts, and relationship between them, like through charts, diagrams, or other visual formats, allowing you to brainstorm, compare, and contrast sequences and events that identify main ideas and better understand complex topics. So essentially, in graphic organizers, it helps you visually structure your thoughts and knowledge on a subject.
The contribution of graphic organizers in education is that it can help students to learn better by showing their ideas in a clear and visual way. Graphic organizers make it easier to understand, remember, and connect information. And also, it can help in writing, problem solving, and critical thinking, making learning more fun and engaging.
There are several software options can be used to create graphic organizers, including popular choices like Canva, Google Docs, Lucidchart, Miro, Creately, Applet, and most of which offer a variety of templates and customizations features to design different types of graphic organizers like mind maps, concept maps, bin diagrams, and timelines depending on your needs.
So first, you need to go to Chrome and search for www.canva.com to take an access to the application. Next is you need to sign in if you don't have an account or log in if you already have an account. Next is you need to choose a blank board to start creating your graphic organizer. So in adding different text elements and designs in your graphic organizer, you can directly click the different buttons on the left side to add different unique features in your graphic organizers. You can also search some theme or templates you want to use in your graphic organizer. Right after choosing the design you want to your graphic organizer, you can now add different elements to your graphic organizer by clicking the element button in the left side. To make it more easier and faster, you could also search what features or shapes you want to add. By using Canva, you can also quickly resize your chosen graphic features into smaller one or larger one. So now let us add a hexagon shape honeycomb to fit in the theme of our organizer. Take note that one of the unique features of Canva is that it allows us users to change the color variation of our chosen graphics or shapes. So to make it easier, you could also click the duplicate button to quickly duplicate your chosen shape. And now to have a clearer view of our background, let us change its transparency by clicking the transparency button above. So like that, so we can adjust. And now, let's add some elements like arrows to make our graphic organizer clear and logical. In this moment, let's use the duplicate method once again to make our editing more faster and easier. After that, let's check the positions and layers of our different shapes in our graphic organizers to avoid overlapping. So to look our graphic organizer more appealing, let's add some B elements. So for the last part, let's add title by clicking the left button text and add text. So let's enter our title. So in Canva, we could also choose the right size of our text as well as what fonts we want to use in our. We could also adjust the letter spacing and line spacing of our text. Another feature is that we could also add some effects to our text to make it more appealing and unique. So if you want to add some text, so you need to just click add text box and type whatever concept or text you want to add. So just by that, click the file button in the upper left and save and download your edited graphic organizer. And just by that, here's your final output, your Buzzboard graphic organizer. So this Buzzboard graphic organizer appears to be a visually engaging tool designed to facilitate brainstorming, idea organization, or categorization of information. It can also be used in educational settings to encourage interactive learning where students connect ideas in a structured yet creative way.
So digital and traditional organizers are both helpful to organize information, but they differ in their format, accessibility, and editing capabilities. So the traditional organizers are physical like pen and papers, while digital organizers are software application or online platforms. And digital organizers offer easy editing and sharing features, while traditional organizers requires more effort for changing and sharing. And that is the one of the difference between digital and traditional organizers.
And that would be all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Bye!